Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Solacecove 19-gallon kitchen automatic motion sensor trash can with dual recycling bins. Solacecove sent this to me for review, but as always, everything I say is from my own experience and opinion. So let's get into the unboxing. Here's everything that comes in the box. Here's your caster wheels, 4 pieces for the bottom 22-liter bin, adhesive backing, 1 for each caster, a small screwdriver for installation, sensor lead, the brain of the operation with motion detection and ozone features, retainer ring used to secure the trash bag in the 50-liter bin, 2 footstools that will attach to the base of the 50-liter bin, 1 stabilizer bar that will add stability to the bin structure, 1 22-liter bin body with a front handle for easy access and movement, 1 user guide includes setup instructions and feature explanations, 1 small retainer ring that will fit to the 22-liter bin for bag support, 1 50-liter bin body with handles on both sides for stability and easy lifting. For the installation, first I attach the footstool to the 50-liter bin body using the included screws. Then I secure the stabilizer bar to keep the structure firm. I drop in a trash bag into the 50-liter bin, and this will be the main compartment. Next, I added the batteries to the sensor lead to power the motion detection. And for the 22-liter bin, I installed the caster wheels using the 4 adhesive for quick installation, and you have some optional screws provided if you prefer using it. And finally, I added the trash bag to the 22-liter bin, which works great for recyclables. Now let's test the auto sensing lead. As you can see, it opens smoothly when I wave my hand. The sensor range is adjustable between 10 to 30 centimeters, so you can fine-tune it to your kitchen layout. It also features an ozone deodorizer built into the lid, which helps eliminate odors and keeps the space fresh, even with food waste. There's a delayed closing mode that gives you a few extra seconds before the lid closes, which is helpful when you're tossing in multiple items. The LED indicator shows battery status and sensor activity, which is helpful if you need to replace the battery soon. Let's talk about the pros and cons. First is the pros. Here's what I really like about the trash can. It has a dual compartments, makes sorting trash and recycling super easy. The sliding lid is quiet and doesn't slam hard. The stainless steel finish looks sleek and resists fingerprints. The ozone feature is a nice touch for odor control, and the caster wheels made it easier to slide in and out. Now for a few things I wish were better. I wish there was a speed adjustment for the sliding lid. It's smooth but a bit slow. I just want a fast reaction when I'm in a hurry. The sensor could be more sensitive. Sometimes I need to wave twice before opening. I also wish it can detect objects from the opening area to avoid your hands getting caught in the sliding lid. But those cons are not gonna be a deal breaker for me. Overall, the Solacecove motion sensor trash can is a solid upgrade for our kitchen, especially if you're tight on space like we are in our apartment. It's functional, stylish, and adds a touch of tech to a daily routine. If you're looking for a dual bin setup with hands-free operation and auto control, this one's worth checking out. If you want to check this out, link is in description. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.